This is Adam. Adam is a QA manager for his company. Adam is waiting for the cleaning cycle to complete so he can retrieve the data he needs to make sure the cleaning process went as intended. Adam is wasting valuable time monitoring the system when he could be productive with other tasks. Don't be an Adam. Fortunately, there's an easier way. Presenting SaniTrend Cloud, an online reporting software from Sani-Matic. This is Tom. Tom is using SaniTrend Cloud. Right now, Tom is receiving a notification that the cleaning cycle is complete and can see a full cleaning cycle report right on his phone, all while on the go. Be a Tom. Use SaniTrend Cloud. Sani-Matic, your cleaning specialists. Visit us today at sanimatic.com for all your sanitary process cleaning system needs.